Welcome back to the channel. Today, inside this modern guava processing plant, hard-seeded fruit will be transformed into...
Every bottle of smooth pink guava juice begins far from supermarket shelves. The process starts here.
Guavas are harvested at a precise stage of ripeness. Their sugar content and texture will determine the quality of the final juice. Inside every guava is a dense network of hard seeds. Removing them efficiently is one of the greatest challenges in juice production. The fruit must reach the factory quickly after harvest. Freshness directly affects flavor, color, and shelf stability.
Intake levels look good from here.
Yeah, the cascade is running smoothly.
Even small imperfections can change the consistency of the final product. Careful sorting prevents unwanted bitterness and uneven texture.
Before processing begins, the fruit is thoroughly cleaned. Dust, leaves, and field residue must be completely removed.
Modern juice factories operate with synchronized precision. Every machine is connected to the next stage of production. Automated scanners analyze thousands of guavas every minute. Shape, color, and surface quality are checked instantly. The guavas are finally ready for mechanical processing, but extracting smooth juice from hard-seeded fruit is only the beginning of the transformation.
After cleaning and sorting, the guavas enter the first major processing stage. The goal is to break down the fruit without damaging its natural flavor.
The alignment looks good on the readout.
Yes, maintaining optimal speed.
Crushing separates soft fruit tissue from the harder internal structure. At this stage, the mixture still contains thousands of seeds.
The pressure is stabilizing now, but keep an eye on the temperature gauge. Roger that.
Increasing the heat slightly.
The viscosity is holding steady at 2.5. Good, let's maintain the temperature.
Gentle heating softens the fruit fibers before seed separation begins. The process must remain precise to avoid damaging natural sugars.
This machine performs one of the most important tasks in the factory. It separates smooth pulp from the guava's dense seed structure.
Guava puree density is optimal.
Confirmed. The machines are running perfectly.
Clean transfer systems are essential in food manufacturing. Even small impurities can affect stability during packaging.
The rough fruit has now become a refined pink puree. But the most complex stage of transformation is still ahead. The refined puree now enters the core manufacturing stage. Here, pressure and precision transform texture.
Homogenization breaks down remaining fruit particles into smaller structures. This creates the smooth consistency expected in commercial juice. Every stage is synchronized through an automated network of pumps and pipelines. Timing and pressure must remain perfectly controlled. Air trapped inside the juice can reduce shelf life and alter flavor. Vacuum systems remove oxygen before further processing continues.
Check the reading on the monitor there.
I see it. Increasing the thermal input slightly.
The juice is heated for only a controlled period of time. This preserves flavor while ensuring product safety.
Rapid cooling stabilizes the juice immediately after heating. Sudden temperature control helps preserve natural color and aroma.
Each batch is carefully balanced for consistency. Sugar levels, acidity, and texture must match every production cycle. Final filtration removes microscopic particles from the juice. The liquid becomes cleaner and more uniform with every pass.
Check the thermal readings on line 3. Flashing red, overriding the flow regulator now.
The transformation from seeded fruit to smooth juice is nearly complete. But consistency must still be refined before packaging begins. Thousands of liters of processed guava juice are now ready for refinement. The next stage focuses entirely on precision and control.
At this stage, the focus shifts from transformation to precision.
Every detail is adjusted to maintain perfect consistency.
At this stage, the focus shifts from transformation to precision. Every detail is adjusted to maintain perfect consistency.
Laboratory teams constantly monitor the juice during refinement. Sugar content and acidity must remain within strict limits.
Tiny air pockets can reduce product stability over time. Vacuum refinement improves texture and extends shelf life.
Advanced filtration systems remove remaining microscopic particles. The process creates a cleaner and smoother final liquid.
Samples are collected automatically throughout production. Continuous testing helps maintain uniform quality. Thousands of measurements are tracked every hour inside the facility. Automated systems help prevent inconsistencies before they appear. By now, the juice has reached its final refined texture. The remaining steps focus on safety and presentation. Packaging systems are prepared long before filling begins. Clean handling is essential in modern beverage production.
Check the flow rate on line 3.
It's holding steady at 500 BPM, but the pressure is fluctuating.
Run the sanitation cycle again.
Even newly manufactured bottles must be cleaned before use. Any contamination could affect the safety of the final product.
Filling machines operate with extreme accuracy. Every bottle must contain the exact measured volume.
Automated scanners inspect every bottle individually. Imperfect products are removed immediately from the production line.
Temperature control continues even after bottling. Stable conditions help preserve flavor and product quality. Packaging must survive long transportation routes without damage. Stress testing helps identify weak points before shipment.
The juice has passed every inspection and quality check. Only one final stage remains before it reaches consumers around the world.
The final stage begins in the dispatch warehouse. Every product is now ready for distribution to global markets. Each pallet is securely wrapped for long-distance transport. Protection ensures the product remains intact during shipping. Temperature-controlled storage preserves freshness before shipment. Even small fluctuations could affect product quality.
Each shipment is carefully loaded into specialized transport vehicles. Timing and coordination are essential for global distribution.
Every product is tracked with a unique identification code. This ensures traceability from factory to consumer.
Once loaded, the products begin their journey to markets worldwide.
Alert on the Shanghai container. Initiate weather diversion protocol.
Rerouting now. ETA adjusted by 3 hours.
Some shipments travel across oceans to reach international markets. Global demand drives continuous large-scale production.
From raw guavas to refined juice, every stage is carefully engineered. A complete industrial journey.